All right, welcome YouTubers. We are on Wednesday, Q18. We're going to be looking about finding the missing number. In our last YouTube video, we talked about finding the missing number with a multiplication problem. Now we're going to be looking at finding the missing number with a division problem. So we have 28 divided by blank equals 4. 28 divided by blank equals 4. Okay, so we have 28 cookies shared among, I don't know how many people, but we do know each person gets 4. Okay, we do know each person gets 4. We know how many cookies, we just don't know how many people there are. We do know how much each person gets. We just don't know how many groups there are, how many people are here. Okay, so if each person gets 4, we go 4, and then we make a person. Do you see how I'm putting the number and then the circle? Whereas in other problems, we do the circles, and then we put in the and then we have to pass out the cookies. Do you see the difference there? We put the circles and then pass something out. Whereas in this one, we already know how many are in each circle. Okay, and then we're just going to go until we run out of cookies. 4, nope. Now we're at 8. 12. Now I'm skip counting by 4s. 16. 20. 24. 28. So 28 cookies shared among how many friends? We do know each friend gets 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, see how I did that? Whereas in yesterday, we had 5 groups of we don't know is 30. In this particular situation, we do know that there's 5 groups, and we know there's 30 cookies. We just don't know how many each person gets. And now we pass out the cookies. 5. What are we at? 10. Okay, then we keep going and we'll figure out that each person gets 6. All right. Let's do one more. 45 divided by blank equals 9. Okay, so we know there's 45 cookies shared among, we don't know how many people are here, but we do know each person gets 9. So 9 and a friend. We have another friend, circle it. Do we have another 9? Yes. What are we at, 27? You need to be able to skip count at this point as a 3rd grader. Got to be able to skip count or else it's going to take you forever to do your homework. 9, 18, 27, 36. Of course, you could use your fingers and add 9 every time to figure it out, but that's still going to take a long time. What am I at? 9, 18, 27, 36. Oops. 45, 54. Oops, I went too far, didn't I? Let's see. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Yeah. I brought too many friends to the party, which is usually a good thing, but okay. So how many friends do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 times 5 is 45. And then you can check your work by doing multiplication. 9 times 5 is 45. All right. 45 divided by blank equals 9. Those of you that know your multiplication tables, you immediately should see 5 here, because you know 9 times 5 is 45. That's the easiest way to do these problems, is just to memorize your multiplication facts. Okay, let's do one more. We're going to look at Thursdays now real quick. We have Z divided by 3 equals 9. Okay, so at this point, look at, we don't know how many cookies are here, but we do know that there's 3 people. I don't know how many cookies shared amongst 3 people, and we do know how many cookies each person gets. So maybe we need to add this to our test tips book. Just think of these as a story. I don't know how many cookies shared among 3 people. I do know each person gets 9. How many cookies do we have here? 9, 18, 27. So do you see how I solved that using the sharing among friends story? Drawing a picture. All right, hopefully that helps you with your homework.